Today we're going to be looking at what's new in Gutenberg 17.0, because why not? There's all kinds of stuff. Command palettes, getting some things going on. Lots of cool stuff going on there. So we're going to go through that. But Terrence, you dropped a little mini challenge in there, and in the meantime, we'll go through this. So what's new in Gutenberg 17.0? Released, I guess, a week ago. And let's dive right in. Also had 6.4 release, so if you haven't updated your plugin or your sites, go and do that right now. I'll wait. Yeah. So let's look. Okay, so first one, command palette improved contextual suggestions when editing patterns. The popular command palette keeps getting better. Since this release, editing patterns inside the site editor will suggest pattern-related commands that adjust better to the context, such as renaming and duplicating the pattern. Small quality of life changes like this are what make the command palette enjoy to use, and future iterations will surely bring in more improvements in this direction. Well, let's have a look. I don't think there's too much. I'm going to zoom that in. Where was I there? Pattern related. So if I go in here, Command K. Maybe I have to be like editing a pattern. Let's edit this pattern. Let's click on it. Oh, I pressed that. I was going to print that. This, I don't know, patterns. What does that do? Oh, it just takes me to the patterns. I think I need a better example of this. Site editor. Okay, let's just get into a page. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll do here. I'm going to go to templates. I'm going to edit the index template. Get in here. If I do Command K, I'm going to say insert patterns. I don't know. Don't really know what we're doing. Better to the context. So it's renaming, duplicating the pattern, small call. Okay, renaming. Okay, so what? So if I'm in the patterns page and I go do this, Command K. Okay, hold on. This isn't doing anything. Have I just not updated my plugin yet? No. Is Gutenberg not enabled? Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, so pro tip. Yeah. All right, let's get back. So by going to patterns here, and I go Command K. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Let's do this. Command K, rename. Okay. So I had to get pretty tight into there for it to rename the pattern. If I go in here and I go duplicate. I'm not really seeing much of anything. Anyways, okay. Well, cool. Moving on. Drop-down menu. A glimpse into the next generation of WordPress components. What is that? Part of the ongoing efforts to refine the components that power the block editor, Gutenberg 17.0 brings a new alternative implementation to the drop-down menu. Components alternative implementation of the drop-down menu component based on the Area Kit open source library. This implementation, though still experimental, offers a glimpse of what the future of components called. That's really cool. So it's, oh, okay. That's really neat. Let's take a look. So we can look at it in the open menu, default item. Oh, wow. Interesting. Sub menu. Oh, I like this. I like this. With slot fill? That's a thing I like. Slot mill. Toolbar variant. Inside mobile. Oh, close model. Videos. That's pretty cool. I like this. All right, I can see some pretty good ideas. I'm assuming that if this was in the sidebar, like if we were in, like what's going to be super awesome is if you're in like what are we doing here? Like let's create a Gutenberg 17 post. Gutenberg 17.0. We'll get there. And I insert like I don't know, query loop. Yeah, and then some of these things could get like better. I hope it would fly out to the right if it doesn't have room in the left, or sorry, the left if it doesn't have room in the right, like something like the way that this does it. That'd be cool. Well, that's gonna be a fun thing to play around with. So I'm gonna definitely play around with that. Is it a menu? Does it detect the edge of the screen? I don't know, Kev. That's a good question. That was the first thing that I thought. Like when I click this, does it know where the screen is? Oh, it looks like it's smart-ish. But I don't know. We'll have to put it through its paces to see where that goes. Because this would be very helpful. It'd be very good if you use this in the sidebar, in the inspector controls, and then things would move out, right? That would be good. So, anyways. All right, what's the next one? Additional visual cues for link control. It's an int offset because it doesn't like you. I have no idea. Okay, let's look. So there's gutter. Distance between the popper and the element anchor. 16-bit nested menus. Set number. Is that what we're doing here? Let's set that to 1. Oh, so there's placement here. Oh, cool. So you could go top. I might need to perhaps. That doesn't seem to do anything. Oh, I see. So it's okay. So that's the offset from the top there, the gutter. But that might depend on where you set it. So if you set it, let's say, I don't know, whatever, bottom. Might not work in that case. Huh. Well, clearly it's got a bunch of options here. Hide on escape, modal, on change, open. There's placement. We can do some placement stuff in there. Shift. We'll have to just play with that. What's this? Yeah. No idea what that's supposed to be doing. I don't see any different. Oh, maybe it's this one. I don't know. Man, we'll have to play with it. Looks pretty cool though. You can't copy any code from it. That is annoying. Are you sure? I swear you could do that at one point. Well, you need to create an add-on for it. That's what you need to do. Okay, next one. Additional visual cues for link control. When searching through the link control, the new block and home icons are added next to the results related to the home pages respectively. These visual cues might tend to make finding what you're looking for easier. The link control. Okay. Is this what we're talking about? Link control? What am I supposed to do? New block and home icons. Oh, that's a component, is it not? I'm not sure how we could take a look at that. Iterating on accessibility and performance. As usual, the Gutenberg release provides a few iterative performance of the accessibility improvements. Besides, we're going to autocomplete voiceover now. Announces suggestions, among other A11Y enhancements to the navigation block and query loop block. Program preference some controls like dual tone layout and has been optimized. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. They're doing the changelog like that now. I don't mind that. Let's look through the changelog. Okay, so link control search result. Maybe we can get a better look at this way. Okay, so if I did with post. Maybe I just don't have it set up right, but that looks, so it's got a block home. That's kind of neat. Pretty cool stuff. Home icon to the front page. Okay. All right, cool. Pretty good. Block theme preview, display loading state with activating. Interesting. Anything there? Is this using that new loader? The one that we like? I'm not seeing any difference there. Oh, maybe it's that thing. Cool. All right. Nice little changes there. Area kit drop down menu component. That's pretty neat. Input control and select default heights. Area kit. Okay. Aria kit, I should say. Just in the pattern. Okay. Such commands when editing pattern in site editor. So in the pattern, right? Oh, okay. So it's okay. So that was what it was doing. So when I was in the pattern, sort of typing, it's more contextual, which is good. Block editor, void editing, slot for block alignments, crow crash. Okay, these are bug fixes. Link control, interactivity API, block post. Is there anything here? I got a bone to pick with some people about the query loop block in a minute. Because they broke my variation. Okay, cool. Interactivity API, fix server processing, make duotone. Okay, some cool stuff. Accessibility, performance, experiments, data views, trash, data view, use trash icon. This is really cool. If you haven't played around with these things yet, they are pretty cool. This is the data view. So you can get there if you go into Gutenberg experiments. Yep. You can go into, admin views. We already have that. I forget how to get there now though. Yeah, I totally forget how to get there. Maybe you can show us there. Settings. No. Testing new views. Okay. Oh, what was that? Srinath, thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. So pages. How do I screen options? View. No, I don't know how to get there. I can't remember. Oh, maybe it's in the editor, I think. And we go into pages. And we go into manage all pages. This is it. Okay. Yeah, so this is the new data view that I was sort of talking about, which is pretty cool stuff. So now they're adding this, move to trash. So this is very, very experimental. They're still working through it, but this is where we're going to be heading for a lot of these things. So you can change views. I think I kind of showed this before. You can sort by, you can do all kinds of fun stuff, right? So that's what that is. So what this was doing is adding, not that, they're adding a little trash icon there, which is pretty cool. All right, what else we got? Add quick action icons. I think that's, let's go back to our list view. I think that's this stuff, the quick action icon stuff. That's pretty cool. So they're working through that. Limit users, yeah. Form block. These are a lot of experimentation. Sidebar block in there. Code quality. Data views. Now for the important part. Anybody that we know? Anybody in here? Let's see. Aruba, we friend of the stream for sure. Hi, Aruba. Glenn Davies. Wanma. He's my team. Kevin Batdorf. What? Kevin? There he is. Oh, that's awesome. Kevin Batdorf. Making the Gutenbergs. Okay, who else we got here? Nice. Yeah. What was yours? Do you remember? What did you do? Wish you could. Well, what was it? Do you remember? Oh, there he is. Look at that serious face. Oh my God, Kevin, what are you doing? I know how we can find out. Hold on. What is your username? Okay, we're gonna do it this way. We're gonna go to the old Gutenberg repository, and we're gonna go insights, and we're gonna go contributors. Zoom this in. Yeah, well, you know what? We're there now. I like doing this because you can do this, and you can plunk a little username in there. We'll see. What was the last one you did? Is that it? No. Last month. Was this it? Create block out. Huh. That must have been it. Let's see. There we go. Nice. Well, Kevin, adding value to everything. Where would what would this be? Enhancement, right? Block editor, patterns, bug fixes. Maybe not. What's the name of the thing? Let's see. There it is. There he is, right there. All right. Nice work, Kev. So Kevin, how many you got there? Okay, cool. All right, awesome. Let's see. I like doing this because what did I do that for? Am I in here? There I am. Okay. Yes. Still on the page. Sometimes I get booted off and it makes me feel like less of a man. It's so stupid. Anyway, all right. So let's see. Kevin Batdorf. All right. Luis, yeah, I know him. Mamaduka. Oh, these are like heavy hitters in here. This is awesome. We know all these folks. Taldan, you're rad. Okay, cool. Well, that's it's kind of a short release. Some cool things in there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content on WordPress development. You can also join me live every Thursday at 10:30 Eastern on Twitch. Check the description for the link.